Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done like a video with no voiceover, so let's get into it. So the wig I'm going to be wearing today is from BestLaceWigs. It is a blonde wig with a couple of highlights in it. This is a lace front wig. A lace front wig has a certain amount of lace and a certain amount of parting space. You're very limited to your parting space with a lace front wig. This lace front wig also comes with lace at the bottom, so you're definitely able to put this wig in a ponytail or a high bun. So when it comes to the parting space on this wig, again, it is limited to how much parting space you get. I would say you get about 3 to 4 inches of parting space, which is pretty good for a lace front wig. Now, this wig comes with 2 combs on the temple, 1 comb at the crown, and 1 comb in the back. If these combs don't work for you, you definitely can cut them off, or you can add more combs if you would like. I have not done any bleaching or plucking to the hairline. I did not bleach this wig simply because this wig is blonde, so there's no need to do any bleaching because the roots are not dark. So I'm just going to put the wig on first. Okay, the wig is very snug. I must have got like a small or something. Okay, I won't have a need to do any elastic band or anything. Okay, so it's a really good feel. The feel of this hair is pretty heavy. I've never had anything like that before. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. And when I'm cutting my lace, I do leave a little bit of lace and I go in and cut more once the wig is on. Even though this wig fits snug on my head already, I'm still going to go ahead and adjust the straps on the back of the wig, and this just makes the wig tighter, gives it a more snug, secured feel. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. This is a really tight wig. Okay, so like I said, I do like to cut more of the lace once the wig is on my head. You guys really not going to be able to see too much of a parting space just because this wig is blonde. So I really love the feel of this wig. Like, I haven't felt a wig like this ever. The hair feels heavy, but it doesn't look full, but it is. Like, this hair feels heavy. I'm here for that. I'm so excited. This wig is 16 inches and it's 130% density. But let's talk about the wig. So the simple fact that this is 130 density, like, I can't believe that. This has to be like 180, 150, something like that, because this is a very nice heavy wig. I'm going to do the first style, which is straightening out the hair, and then a little later I'm going to add some curls to the hair. Wow, like, this is a really nice wig. Like, they did a really good job on the coloring of this hair. Like, look at that. The dark brown roots, I love. This is definitely gonna be a summer wig for sure, because, like, do you see how nice those highlights look? Whoever, like, the person that did the coloring on this wig, they should get a raise, because this is nice. I'm just going to keep the middle part, and I have to do this now because it's gonna irk my soul. And now, like I said, I just take a little bit of my foundation. I use some foundation I don't care about, which is the MAC NC45. It's perfect for the whole scalp look illusion. So yeah, I love to use a wax stick for flyaways just because I like it. It gives a more sleek look. If you're using a wax stick, go in with some heat to kind of melt the wax a little bit. See what the difference that makes? It helps make the wig flat. And it gives a smooth look. Like, see the difference? I am here for this wig, honey. I just wish y'all could feel like how heavy this hair feels. Like, look at that. For this to be some processed bleached hair, this hair looks really, really good. I could tell the original color of this hair was like a light brown, and then they went in and just killed these highlights. I mean, like, literally killed it. Okay guys, so I had to change out my lens because I wanted you guys to see more of this wig. So this is the wig. As you can see, it is extremely nice. When I got this wig out the package, I wasn't expecting for it to look this good. This is definitely going to be my look for the next 2 weeks. I know I was like, girl, I am not finna wear this wig every day because I'm not gonna be feeling this color like that. But oh, was I so freaking wrong. This is the wig that you need in your wig collection. Do you hear me? And one thing that I absolutely love about this wig is this hair does not feel dry. It does not feel overly processed. It doesn't even feel processed at all. The texture of it is really, really soft. No shedding, no tangling. And the simple fact that I got this color without bleaching this hair, I didn't have to go through the hassle of bleaching it. If you're the girl that you love blonde hair, or you want to try something new and you want to spice it up a little bit, this is that wig, okay? You need this wig. This wig is everything. It is giving me so much vibe right now, girl, okay? Like, I need to go somewhere after I get done recording this video. That's just how much I'm into this wig. I promise you, you will not go wrong with purchasing this wig. It's fabulous. It is so freaking fabulous. Like, oh God. If you decide to purchase this wig, definitely come back on here and let me know what you think about the wig. Let me know whether you love it or you hate it. Let me know your experience. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, all purchasing information will be below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.